Incremental things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the logical expansion. Now that we have seen how to modify and set a specific forgetting index for many elements at once, now it's turn to know when. If I set a high number, I increase it, decrease it, set a specific number, when that is useful. So I have a few different scenarios. Next use case. Adjusting for material that is very, very hard. Let's say way above the rest of the collection. Perhaps I have a branch of Chinese, and this is a lot more challenging. So what I can do is, elements on that branch will have a forgetting index super low. I want to decrease the forget index. And yes, I will have a higher retention rate at the cost of more frequent repetitions, yes, but this is a subset, it's not my entire collection. So let's say I will pretend is this, I only have about 1,000, let me see how many items. Okay, 300 and something, it's not that bad. So let's say this case, our Roman culture is actually kind of my case because it's low frequency, or the names are from Greek or Latin, are harder than usual. So what I will do is I will set forgetting index of 5. Here you go, only 5 items where that's good as long as it's just a subset. For me it's 300 out of 18,000. So it's 90 something, a very great percent of the collection is unaffected. But you want to keep up with this extra difficult material. Here you go. Usually will be language learning, can be math, or whatever it is particularly challenging for you. See you in the next video.